Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Jimmy and you're watching Jimboyrulez. Today we're going to talk about gift ideas for a car guy, petrol head, a gear head, a gas monkey, whatever you want to call it. And these gift ideas are not limited to Christmas or some holiday in particular. You could use these gift ideas to gift your loved and dear one any time of the year. So without any further ado, let's dive straight into it. If the person you're trying to gift this to uses an older car and doesn't have a car with a backup camera, this is an awesome gift. Even an awesome gift for a new driver. It says you care about their safety. Again, this too makes a perfect gift for a new driver or someone with an older car without the latest technology. This indicates when there's someone in their blind spot. Now, since all phones are capable of wireless charging, and if your car guy uses GPS on the phone, this phone holder wirelessly charges your phone, and it's super easy to attach compared to traditional car mounts. There is no car guy who likes his car dirty. If he or she is a car person, they would appreciate a car cleaning kit. And there is nothing better than Meguiar's. This includes everything one would need. You might think this is for kids, but think again. Majority of the people building these kits are adults. Just make sure you order an assembly kit along with the model kit. Now, if you're wondering, what if I get a gift, and what if the car guy you're trying to gift it to already has that product? Well, in that case, don't take any chances. Just get a car shirt. This is something I love personally. Optical illusion car lamp. Well, it's a night lamp that looks super futuristic with a 3D illusion light glow. Perfect night lamp or even decor for work desk or office desk. Now, I don't know if this is going to be in your budget or not, but this is for sure what every car guy would love. Track days. Track days are meant for a car guy. Track experience is offered at various tracks worldwide, so find one close to you. Now, these are an awesome gift. No one gifted me, so I purchased mine. You might say these are expensive, so I have linked cheap to expensive cabinets. And if 3 or 4 siblings get together and are gifting dad, they all might chip in. It might still be doable. OBD2 scanner. This is what helps one find what's wrong with your car. When a random light pops on, it tells you what it is. It talks to the computer on the car and tells the user what is wrong. Must have product. One can never have enough tools. Even if they have tools, you can give them more tools. Plus, if you don't want to spend so much, find a smaller set, or if you want to spend more, find a bigger set. There is one for every budget, and having the same kind of multiple tools is not really a bad thing. Battery maintainer. If your car guy or girl has a weekend car or a motorcycle or even a track car that they don't drive daily, they require a battery maintainer, so their vehicle starts even if it hasn't been driven for a while. If your car guy or girl likes working on their car and are a little bit of a perfectionist, a torque wrench is a great gift. Impact gun with impact sockets are great to reduce labor and get things done quicker. Normal sockets get worn out quickly on impact guns. So linking everything in the description, just make sure if the battery and charger is included in your purchase. Interior cleaning kit is not only for cleaning but also for the longer life of your leather. Less wear and tear. It keeps the luster and shine of the leather along with protecting it. Great gift for a petrol head. Tell me what car guy or girl doesn't like Fast and the Furious. Every car guy needs to have this movie in their physical collection. Now, this might be for kids' room, but me being an adult, I still love it and wouldn't mind having it in my man cave. This car blueprint art still keeps your classy decor of the home interior and just adds so much character to the walls. I'm definitely going to get these at some point. Lego. Well, younger car guy, maybe? Well, in all honesty, car guys are kids who refuse to grow up. So I'm sure Lego set of cars makes an awesome gift. I can still play with Lego. Dash cams are a must for everyone, be it a car guy or not. With crowded cities and traffic and crime on the high, it's just good to have a dash cam in case someone breaks into your car or in case someone runs into your car or even in case of an accident on the freeway. Heads-up display are cool, but unless one picks the highest trim on a luxury car, you don't really get a heads-up display. So instead, you could gift this. It will take help from your phone and give you a more customizable heads-up display. Pressure washers not just make washing your car easy, but also cleaning your driveway a piece of cake. High pressure strips all the dirt and muck away from the car. This one is on my list too. Come on, what child or adult doesn't like playing with a radio control car? And that too if it is a Jeep Wrangler that can crawl in the mud and on the rocks. Walkie talkies. I cannot stress how much fun walkies are on road trips in multiple cars or at track days. It just keeps you all in touch when there is no cell phone signal. We absolutely loved ours when we went to the track, and I have the same one. Another good gift is tire pressure monitor. A lot of people don't admit this, but majority people don't check air in tires and never realize if their tires are running low on air. So this helps you keep them in check. One for someone with not the latest car. This dual USB charger comes with a Bluetooth. Solve the problem if your car doesn't have Bluetooth already. These markers make anyone's tires look race car tires. It's super cool and a car guy would love these racy tires. Have you ever heard a car guy complain about how long it takes to clean their wheels or how difficult it is to get in those corners? Well, with these brushes, it would be a walk in the park and they would be done cleaning in no time. If the car guy we are looking to gift does track days, a good pair of racing shoes will always make an awesome gift. I have the Ferrari ones. They're not the best ones, but the best one probably would be a Sparco or a Momo one. Now this gift is for a classy car guy. Imagine a classic Aston Martin or even a Corvette from the 60s. Wearing these gloves with a tag here Monaco on the wrist, very Steve McQueen classy. Tire inflator, this could come very handy on a road trip. The best part is it can come handy at home for other jobs too apart from inflating tires. Kiddie pool, airbed, basketball, etc. Gone are the days when you had to scrub the car to lather it up. Gift your loved one a foam canon and see him wash the car more often and quicker. Okay, humidifier has fragrance, but if the person you're gifting is not that important, then just gift them an air freshener. But both make great gifts, nothing's too expensive, either one of them. I just thought that humidifier with fragrance is cooler. A universal car cover is a good gift for someone who either doesn't have a garage or someone who has a weekend car or a car they don't use daily. Now, with roadside assistance, these are becoming more and more rare, but again, you can never be cautious enough. So, emergency roadside kit has all the very basics one needs to survive a car breakdown. It's a survival kit for the car. Jump starter makes a great gift for someone with a classic car or even a less used car. One can never be sure when the battery is going to die. Linking 2 of them in the description based on size and portability. This is a tricky one, but can fit all budgets. I have linked a few down below, from cheap to super expensive. Based on how much you want to spend, you can pick a toolbox. Car guys always have loads of tools and they struggle with where to put them. If they like to read, there is so much you can give them. I have put a few books in the description that car guys would love. Creeper stools. I have one. Creeper stools are a good gift for someone who likes to get down and dirty with their cars. The same person can also do with a jumpsuit so they don't get bad oil stains on their new jeans. Die-cast models are great gifts and can result in a new hobby. They are collectibles and make a great conversation piece in the living room, if she lets you. A car guy would love to receive a racing stripe kit and convert their boring car into a car that looks fast and furious. They can install it themselves or get it installed somewhere else. Interior LED lighting is a cool gift too. Majority luxury cars and top trim cars now give this as a factory fitted option, but it can be installed in a car that doesn't have it. I know so many so-called car guys whose cars are filthy inside and have got green stuff growing from a half-eaten can of food or drink. This makes a perfect gift for them, a trash can for their car. Artwork of race cars or racetracks can make a great gift for a person with a man cave or garage space. I absolutely love it. This is awesome for someone who hasn't buffed a car before because it's a random rotary buffer, so it doesn't keep rotating in one direction, which means that it's not going to peel off your paint. Work light is a good gift for someone who works on their vehicles themselves. There can never be enough light, so having something portable and flexible always helps to get those dark corners lit up. Okay, so the tap and die set are like the gods of the toolkit. They save you and have godlike power to make a bad situation good again. That's all you need to know. Just gift it. Electric ratchet for the lazy friend who works on his car but takes a million breaks because he got tired after removing a single bolt each time. Life just got easy, buddy. Again, check if this one as well comes with a battery and a charger because a lot of times they don't. I would love this, as I drop things all the time and never recover it from the engine bay. With this set, I won't lose anything for the price it makes for an awesome gift. Alright, so now just in case if you're wondering why haven't I given more details about each and every product, that's because it wasn't a review video. I was just giving you ideas of things you could give petrol head. I think I've given you 50 ideas. That should be enough. I mean, I pretty much covered every possible thing. If I missed out anything that you think makes a really great gift for a car guy, do comment below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please do give me a thumbs up. It motivates us. Do share and do subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell though. Until next time, thank you for watching. See you later. Ciao.